Hello everyone, nice to meet you and welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for inspiration about Gabion wall, then this video is perfect for you. In this video, we will explore more deeply about Gabion wall. Hope it will be useful information for you. Gabion walls, made of wire mesh containers filled with stones or other materials, have gained significant popularity in civil engineering and landscaping. These versatile structures offer a range of benefits, including structural stability, erosion control, and aesthetic appeal. In this video, we will explore the features, construction process, advantages, and applications of Gabion walls, highlighting their sustainable nature and contribution to the built environment. Gabion walls are engineered structures that consist of wire mesh containers known as Gabion baskets. These baskets are filled with various materials, commonly stones or rocks, to create a sturdy and flexible wall system. The wire mesh containers are typically made of galvanized steel or other corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Gabion walls can be designed to accommodate different heights, shapes, and configurations, making them adaptable to a wide range of applications in both urban and rural environments. The construction of a Gabion wall involves several key steps. Firstly, the site is prepared by clearing the area and ensuring a level and stable foundation. Next, Gabion baskets are assembled and securely connected using wire or hog rings. The baskets are then filled with stones or other selected materials, ensuring proper compaction and interlocking of the elements. The top of the wall may incorporate a capping or coping to enhance the appearance and provide additional protection. Proper drainage provisions, such as weep holes or geotextile filters, are also integrated into the design to prevent water buildup and promote soil stability. Gabion walls offer numerous advantages that make them a preferred choice for a variety of applications. Firstly, they provide excellent structural stability, with the ability to withstand heavy loads and resist earth pressures. Their flexibility allows them to adapt to ground movements and seismic activity, minimizing the risk of failure. Additionally, Gabion walls are highly permeable, enabling natural water drainage and preventing hydrostatic pressure buildup. This feature makes them ideal for erosion control and slope stabilization. Furthermore, Gabion walls are environmentally friendly. The use of locally available stones as filling materials reduces the need for extensive transportation, resulting in reduced carbon emissions. The wire mesh containers can be reused or recycled, minimizing waste generation. Moreover, the interstitial spaces between the stones promote vegetation growth, enhancing biodiversity and ecological balance. Gabion walls find wide-ranging applications in various fields. In civil engineering, they are commonly used for retaining walls, bridge abutments, and noise barriers. Due to their flexibility and structural integrity, Gabion walls are suitable for coastal and riverbank protection against erosion and flooding. In landscaping, they serve as decorative walls, garden features, and terracing systems. The aesthetic appeal of Gabion walls lies in the natural beauty of the stones, which can be further enhanced by incorporating various colors and sizes. Gabion walls offer a sustainable solution for structural stability, erosion control, and aesthetic enhancement. Their versatility, durability, and eco-friendly nature make them an attractive choice for a range of applications, contributing to sustainable development.